Who be this? Hey, Dr. Penyah. Na no.
Ohano man, ye bekwa ko wan se mbacho sister. Someone named sister. And Naya appear dear to be honest. Mbacho mo bio. Se wonu ya night and straw.
Abusaya da swawo etwo amanyo consent semono eye TTP Tunumu political party. This name is officially gazetted to the NDC party. Now no me TPP Tunumu political party. I say ya de to no unibia oye abano nkan de unibi dia kope different party ko opa ko yon gum. We le yema omo woto omo shankus. What I say? Only say in the video I'm thinking bro enche bia no me kire o say girl no kwa Dr. Ansan Sadali no. Ni body ni kwa fake. Editing any ade. Said Dr. Ansan Sadali Krano. Only Mahama personal physician. Just say, oh, na 2024 na oye Mahama personal physician or man in neuro. Etre Mahama in neuro one any ade. Said we pop up on the internet with Trouble Carlos. Any Ohene David. Oma fido mekasebi. Oma betete Kevin Taylor pansam. In fact, Oma be destroy now. Na Mahama so there. Oma chama Mahama chi empri. Aha Penyah block media. Mess say any demo. Over like if you do not download my subscribe button, now click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better watch the mama ever comments as well as baswa. Now she video more for us to any be ashe. 18 now said the king of the airwaves, no other person than Okatachi Efifa Mensa. But Bema Kukodrufua or need a native doctor, a dear con edinusum kunim, on crop would be a uncra to do, then sa a doing a name. One native doctor, any kitchen champion, a dear kwama would do musum kunim, see the friend of Bema ba, or see a dear Okatachi. Efrifa mensa bonsu pia na won konso on say audience expose ni eba ye no medical profile kam kire mu say Dr. Ansan Sadali kwa ne set anybody ekura no bibia ye fake na Ansan Sadali or the particulars koma Mahama akwaje NHIA board member na ka ho bie no ni particulars o de call ye na o was say owie John Hopkins University USC that's like em say ne oba no doctor USC dia na say oba so betum say Oko Johns Hopkins University there. And now we have a bachelor petition alcohol. And Sachi Brown Reginald. Edison talking a petition may and on now for time. And one of them replied to David honorable. Yeah, you knew Obias, oh, yeah, check your system. No, Obias and so Dr. Ansan Sadali and say Obia Kramahan or day, it didn't answer Sadali, and I buy. And I am the cry every already answer Sadali. Nipit, now you're the call Mahama, how the particular sir. Na esa I want to Facebook page so na odi tu ne ho a difference over man for any armor so how there first you didn't post certification from John Hopkins University didn't post here no na edin e was so Anna Sansa Dali and I was so later all say tu no post ne ho and was post certification even say odi bia nanum but as you say wakọ John Hopkins University area. And was supposed be opposed to no. Ediya na ewo so. Anna Faith Sansa Dali. Anna Faith Sansa Dali. Let's say one certificate crown. The opposite to Facebook. Esabe posti be from the same school no. Edin crown enyepe. First one Anna Sansa Dali. Second one was posted Anna Faith Sansa Dali. On one case, di on so dam real life. On so of Dr. Ann Sansadali, enye Anna, Dr. Ann Sansadali. Na say, no cry expose no. Anna face also abemua. O hwe. Also we don't have the forward this or 2 1 and 2. But we have and 2 say there and 2 we twice and 1 and 2. Any baby and 1 and 2 1 and 2 this kind of an and 2 we be there be twice. Twice mu na who Tinkerbell join who that kind of an and 2 call no toy. As okay, mama we had it. It's because you want to say there be Ansan Sadali. The picture in the video now where they posting or what one hypno. Editing. On one case 1 year. Jesus. One slim gaby. Only shape bia. Only way. Only shape bia. It will drop picture new year. No, why large no? The editors will be good. Omo drop picture another video we are. No more the tear expand or no. Na ne hip ne down e ma bi o the video we on anti call hwenechi or dan nechi on anti go as a robot onye nipa as a robot o wi anu expanding it down e do jira why is a robot no e ti enye onu a ne form no kura anya onu ada onu aga se woni hwanga bi into twa bi no edit enye ono ada editing metro ma oti ase na ene na monfra ba mu say Dr. Ansan Sadali no there was a time na oya adwuma emo Mahama and it is true every say ya to ba we 2024 December 2024 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ewe ne ye no Ansan Sadali no congratulations message ewo ne Facebook there now the word delete e no tell say congratulations to you President-elect of Ghana John Dramani Mahama on this well-deserved victory. It's been a great honor serving you as a personal physician, especially during the difficult times in opposition and throughout the very tough campaign. You did it. And as a man, that bravo. What I say, bravo. Now say what you say, oh no, Mahama, personal physician. I say, oh Mahama no, and I no crap. Every say 2024 that's Ohene Mahama. Okay, picture now. What you say? Also, Lumen be a wabo bra on the 10 years. More than anyone will be as for the 10 years. And I said, now I go for 80 plus. No go for a new smooth grass Mahama or young guy. Oh, Mahama said, oh, Lumen be just not get new kuno. Answer that no Oku Mahama. Oh, kuno femfram. Oh, man, just say, well, the chloroquine, other the painkiller. Oh, man, morphine, just say, oh, Mahama. That's it. And Mahama is also so. Every say Mahama Krasa in June 2024 or your World Women Conference. Emu kan osa fre otonza fre sansani dali ese omra say native doctor oyan Brazil bi ema hokono o man title say medical doctor and Sansa-Dali. Yes, Mahama so gay so. I say also son so. It ya pop up on the internet now is that prove it yourself in the leg. I must over a year and benefit say best of the same feathers fly together. And no man want to say no to boom. Oh, shall Kevin Taylor na yesifo. Now where Sansa-Dali na yesifo ma. It was a difference about could say a bit new. Kevin Taylor na now Sansa-Dali na ya. Enter muhibomono. What you say? Enter so muhibomono. Now as for the way no, and it was a trouble colors. Ene Ohene David. Abege kan wo ma adwene pa abobo ma adwene akire Kevin Taylor na ebiso abaka Mahama.
Who be this? Hey, Dr. Penyah. Hey, na no. She, asa mabawa. Hey, akom ne nkyeremu. Enti no dia mememfi koye ne tu sister yanka enimonyam kakra bebam. Eno so kra de a just ka asem no kra say asem no. So Ohene hips as an hips ba ko kra che so Ohene. Ono pe na mehu se nipa ne hips agye ne mfe. Hey! O katachie so de wodi niema. Tam na no nya adabi. So I also say segu. That no nya nya ne to. That na no katachie twi no. Ento okoye no koye maintenance no. E no de koma me friend kitchen blogger. Hey! Charlie. Oh, amanfo di niema. Ento we rakati asamaba. Kelvin Taylor ne girl na o wono no afa de Kelvin asaso aba out esa aba be defend girl ni biem. Se mo hwe ya before no ono ankasa be kan ye say girl ne de wonye doctor e wo Ghana na girl ni nyina ba bia nkan ye e wo abreso no akoko gina TV so say ono de wo hwe nipa intino pa obo obehwew. Kelvin by e be kire ma ye hunu say ne girl no wo ye doctor e wo America but anye Ghana. Afa ye che no wo America so a Kelvin asaba biem say ne yere na de meboa ne sai check na de wo ye doctor na wo ye native doctor e wo America. Hey. And a time I want to me any native doctor and a trendy. Nanso so Oko Kelvin a pages were we so busy talking about MP before. But no chrono samno and a crime now why you were Ghana no and not the one come wasam. And also him said the one and the side checking about a big crime. senka Ghana nke kano krepa nka de ge na ye na eho ada ho cleanse no aga chama wuntumi charges na de ama no kra nkesa what me ababe bu a whole country a break it into Ghana system claim say o ye doctor e America afa ye chiwa uso ye native doctor from kitchen doctor to native doctor ready Oba we say woo side chicken ye to be jawe who be di ma papa bi atamo TikTok. Monkey play by sizes, ne size anu nya ye no.
Ohano man ye be kwa ko wan say mbacho sister yi. Someone name sister yi. And na apie ni dear to be honest. Na abaye pa ya hwe ne form. Afede na de ba ya bacho mo hebio se wu nua 9 and straw abaya no Kevin Taylor yire no se ne 9 and straw enti fake for the adults mo hwe wadi na yi ne ba be si ono akọ na chi mo hwe wo ba be twitwa video ai wo be twa video kwabena tutu sisen kwabena tutu osede ya mo nwie masem no mo hwe ne nan enti sa form na ne ehunu nyina no say say ye won talie bi trouser bi o wa ye trouser wo sha menim say ye huo menim say ya yen fum ahihye mo etimi ma wo form tio ye won talie ni bi wo ha wo ya ye si etimi ma wo form enti me ko ye na me koko hu abaye ni new video aba hwe 9 page na ho na re sister e form e wo so re enti hwe na to hwe say yrom enti say video na e free na anu nyina ye hwe no ame fa nko where they gift yourself apprentice and gift yourself gift one was an apprentice no mama men ko na men ko hwe enti wo hwe form ye gina ho yi abusuafo mo ka no kre sentia ade hwem yeah another penny no that one there men no oh this guy will fake you gay will fake you abaye ni animal guase there when animal guase you entia enti wo hwe yonko nan na wo hwe na basa ambasa idie enya moto ni wa basa idie amfata woto sister I kwabra tutu o see you dare not put your country flag on your door swati enti menimo Ghana de ewu mo hwe abaye for original me woni ni other video bi o ha say yanko so rantentem na me konkowe no mo bo so gina ho enti mo hwe am so obeyi na ayi na na obeyi we na gua dabi gan we fake because o hwe se na taso adrodro no hwe won utum se na ya fia but wa pack niema wa pack bibi gan wa hihye bibi ena ema ne nyemo munim se ye wa ade bi won aye horodo etise honam pepepe ema no no more ton wo TikTok pa ubetumi ahye wo hye obi de ne safa school obeka se nipa honam menim se ne mo frɛ no intimi ye sure se no bi na gay bi ko hwe ne nsa pa ma hwe ne nsa na wo ha fia na wo hwe etuo yi dia anya no kure ye wadada nkrofo wonim se so owusu bempa mu nyina di no afia so asini Ghana e kan opa ne chew because na afia so asini gase we no pese ojan no no opa ne chew dindindin nti e ha se mo hwe o ye nyina no twetwa nani o na o hwe ne transaction obeyi na tade no o hwe nan ye nam we na o hwe ense ya ye samankwanko hu abaye video ya minim hwe ne nantu ya yekutu mba mo hwe ade won se ne nantu ya yekutu minim ade ya ode ahye ho intige ye fake za mo hwe din ni se mo hwe bi abusiafo mo hwe bi watim ba mo chewo wohwe n'anima we die wa back niam oh nanantu because na ye si from this straw he oh ye wadi nsago wa wadi ade bia de nsago no wadi obi a wadi ade bia wadi nsago wadi ntomago emma munya na ada yo na nuabo bebam me say abaye bia ye say we kwa makatre mo da on kumase na abaye bi na me koye na me be me fio ma no je say watinkra na oba kumase dia opeso o kire o yinimnya sakura kumase fo wo mo de nkran tu omo je mo wa say ya no mo du omo sa without nkran kumase fo say na esibu nkran no na abaye isa achimi coffee na muna na me say na wa say chere no say krokro abi o Wana me say hi. Chiara, good afternoon. No shame say no o say Ghana e fan boy. Wa, na me say na asa me hu ntem ha. Yes, and near na me ban patcho. Me think client near na ba sra me so am ati. Me say hey, me so meti ya. Ai meti ya ntino wadaroma. U feel say was you me de na be jamene ne keka online no. Ye keka na ne wo ma check akra sister brothers mesuma huna mane yo mahuna mane enema mani we se mani da so tia se ehu ade yo nyame abusuafo flodumo mavis batima kwabena tutu mani we niema ehu Milan Lion what is saying we chia ba enema mani we ehu gay mayama ni efiri fie ba me fie mba cha o nante amfa se 2 minutes wa wura me dem oni a yeso ye nie we American say me intro allergic ko kuma say emaduma minuanom abaye bai ma bona se me sha se me na mo kaza se 46 minutes nie abaye mbe so obewro no mesumisi se me ma na free fie pa akode ma free me dem wa akode la lai okwa ne onsi obi sata me so se wa wuni be ma ye what we da kirikiki na me hono eyi curtains bi wa eyi hosa na wo say oh eyi or the same wo de mame mo sana wa sha eyi or the same anda wa achencheni bi anda wa na wura ensiwo eyi foam sheto no foam sheto no sa wo sha anda wa achenche me de nya na me pawe ena wakwashe wona ngunu wase na metawo na mikoyi tawo white na metofa achiro de mano na washe curtains na chiwo sa me wanse ni wapiaba nye enye minni na mse wuni abre ka ho besne ka ho koputu ambanzo na meba wena eja asuafo ebesne ko Jerusalem wieye me fane niema amana was wo ko horo no ansa no apia ko me fane niema aguyi amana ba bi odi ahye no nya kwa anka manko yi oba na yidi aba begu amana na yidi agu pete mama na wa ba bra be hye me yewe na nipa na wuhu na wonam ho no wonya yi no ho no eto na se yuram ma boka urade wana mo okuru wana nwazere to say hwi ne sira na ne tu nyina etise ne tu ni an ne sira ni ebom straight za anga uso benya na o de mfa na ada me mami hu se sa na wo de ne tie enya hwi ubenya ne ono so pe eto a ne ne wona isi mi na yebe endo mo fiti dada ni panye ne o enya no girls ni fiti dada ni panye ne na man minima de wo mo ani ntete Moses ano ya ni anga se wakọ ne ya de yibi ato obi ani so not no yesi oyesi sa krom na beto black to we say no so we ni black no so ai na akoto so money we ya bui wobakona nipa to ni ya dwira ne ha sɛ dwiri obitumi hu mani achi Ohene wani achi nwi de na ye ma ye wani achi bi ne da ya ba ja wa nya Ohene David bi na menya wani achi na akate awi ni nyina na ba ma na ke ye nya wasi e gu ni bi dia na ke ye nya wa no bi na ke ye nya tri wo tri nye na we just mo bi bia so mani na ba ma na oto doso za no are na ba ma na when sama na wobakona yonkoto wo wure na so wo tu na so afiri wo tu ni ebenya ena ma ho gift ho ahwan nese abrofu iba Ghana no mba be fama wo mo sia hye ko abrofu ya mu so ya mu wu omu yasi yo mo nya ye die bi enso mu di o mo ti se kikiki menim ne mo pe Ghana ni ti ho onhye George onya hwe na ni nyi ne se ho broni atimi awewi ne ma hodo kofi ne mu ade ne sia ye sei ko eno de oba no mu de mikadi na chi enne Ghana fo empe wo mo anka so ma de well yankoi nti we the fake unua ba na yakwa ko hu no ne current photo a yensa aka ne de ye ko ya mpacho unua ba na se wa fu ne night is straw mpacho mo ne nine unua ba ni ne night is straw enti ye katra se doctor ya wo he ya ne form ne sire se ne nyina wo packaging ni nyina ya packaging unua nan ne de bibia packaging eni ya che no oni bibia ka ese oni bibia ye oni na okatachi kwa me afiri fa na nura oba na ne ode asembi aba betu ye nim se ababa wa no sei na eden akoso ntimba cho meko na makọ akọbọ kakra de eden e de ama montem aso na ye nkoi ntie ne ha saying
where we reward people. Well, so for the work they did to started this onslaught on this lady a few days ago. Why were you concerned about the process?
Right, well, as usual, good evening to you.
Yeah.
And for the sake of men and animal, and me ma no ma you know ye nyina ye tell so ansa na yate brofo no kakra yes ye nte brofo te se mo apepepe nti enura okokopiem ewo odesen ye frɛ ho sen kra Metro TV ho na Paul adom dwendwengie otwen ono so ye adwuma ena ono ne kotena ase ena okatachi sign mad revelations bi nti sese ye di asem na chi na omo ka asem bi eno na mepese mo so montie kakra nti tewaso ye nyina ye nkoti omo nkomodie no
Watching us from Pioneer, and I can tell Facebook is buzzing.
It is.
Right, so first of all, this is a national duty, nothing short of that. It is nothing personal. It is not to get at anyone. But it is a way of serving my country, where I believe so strongly if something is not going on well, I should be a good citizen and speak up, for which I am doing now. So you were asking questions about why Council of State was supposed to do diligence on this matter, but this thing could slip through. I call it a Kevin Taylor effect.
What is Kevin Taylor effect?
No. So for what you don't know, that position is more or less like a reserved position for Kevin Taylor, for him, which he was supposed to put somebody that he trusts, and this is the person that he puts there. So it was a report.
Is he Kevin Taylor connected to health?
Yeah, no, but of course, you know this country where we reward people.
Well, so for the work he did to
for
help
what he did, yes. So that is his
to one board membership.
I wasn't so sure of which position they were going to give him, but I had the information that the government was going to give Kevin Taylor a position, but because he has a warrant on him and he cannot be present, then he came in. You know, he's been in the country twice since then. He's wanted.
I know once.
Yeah, he's been.
And he has said, "No, but your mama na me wa for what I say." Sa abaya ne position na Mahama appointed no. Na Kevin Taylor na ye bibia ma no because Kevin akasa ama yen. Ya ma ne sika de be enye enough. See a more appointment. That's what they have been doing. I'm talking about MPP and NDC. Into a person what say Sa position ya yɛde ma abaya ni Kevin Taylor na yɛde ma no na ɔne abaya we no obibi ye. Ɛna Kevin suggest say ne yɛmode ma me no me de me ni pa ba because they say me kura me back Ghana no mu say me yi mani ma me stand trial because ne nsɛm ɛda ho. Nti saa de a momma abaya we nyina menam nti Kevin de ne koi sa onkoye adwuma wɔ ne dim.
He's come again.
Yeah, he's come again. And
He was protected again.
He was protected again. And there was a meeting that was held at a place called Mmoa, Italy. Which came, yes. There is a
Were you there?
You know this, we pick information, and this is very authentic information. You can de-associate yourself.
Oh, no, don't worry.
I am saying.
People meeting is not.
So there was a meeting held where Kevin Taylor told a certain leadership of the NDC that this is or not power of attorney. He gives it to this woman in case they want to give him an appointment. This woman should represent him. That is how come they put her on the board. So no due diligence was done because it was Kevin Taylor's appointment.
Hey.
And I'm sure you can tell from the way almost everybody in this government is as though nothing works unless Kevin Taylor says it. The president is even taking actions because Kevin Taylor is backing about it. So when it comes to issues of Kevin Taylor and its association, which as we delve into it, I'll show you. There is a criminal syndicate that has been built by this woman to the extent that they blackmail people in high places that you cannot even do what ordinarily you're supposed to do when you're going to appoint somebody like this.
No, I don't get it. Blackmail.
Yeah, blackmail.
That's serious.
Which certainly are Kevin Taylor and this lady and quite a few other people.
Why do the people get? What do they do to be blackmailed? Why do they get themselves?
So this lady gets closer to people in high places.
How does she do that?
Of course, the same way you could manage her way to come and sit on GH1. To think that your brother Bulari could fall for her tricks and all that. Of course, you should know the girl has some level of IQ. And I have been with this girl before. She's my friend. We've been friends for quite some time. She is a smart woman. That one you can't take it away from her. She is very smart, except that she uses her smartness for the wrong things. So this girl can swindle her way through and get to almost every corner in this country, high places. I saw you reading a text.
Yes,
which you said that
it's not verified. So.
No, but I am telling you that it's a trite knowledge. People who were on the campaign trail of the NDC knows that whenever they were calling President Mahama's physician to come and take care of him, it was this lady they called.
And mama, baby, I didn't come out. No, Okatachi Sunday to me say, Abaya we, Abribia John Mahama, ye fre one ma womoshe, John Mahama apomuden ho nsem no. Ye pe obi afre na mana behwe John Mahama apomuden ho nsem a, ye fre sa abayo ano. Ana Sansadali, ono na ye fre no. Asema okay so oti Ghana oti TV station so sawo John Mahama say nye no kra e wona on call say nye no kra nye no answer more friend and it is so serious. Obi be ma comment say hey Ghana for should be happy and praising the Lord say ye what president or that so tia say abaya we and na ehwe president dia and now okatachi won evidence yeso ye gina so ne aka bi say abaya no ena nra me de mfunyi eba bebe kire mo ma me mohwi nkwa enra me de yi bi baba beto so kire mo ye kan ho asem nra sei enetie abaya no kokoposi ewo x mbacho kan bi enie ana Sansadali hwesoro ho ono ne photo ne da soro ha no na mo hwe ni din no ana Sansadali okoposti ewo x a connected ye fro Twitter ana Twitter na nasema okan ne say congratulations to President-elect of Ghana. Congratulations to President-elect of Ghana, Dr. John Dramani Mahama, on this well-deserved victory. I'll say it is. Let me read it from here because my Daniel Nimonsi. I'll say on this well-deserved victory. It's been a great honor serving you. It is a great honor serving you as a personal physician, especially during the difficult times in opposition and throughout the very tough campaign. You did it. enti no katatie ka no is not just bosirimuka ho abaya na nkasa page na efrinra ma try sama hwehwe abaya no e wo Facebook Anne Sansa Dali Anne Sansa Dali ma men koda mo ko Anne Sansa Dali me kona makwa akohwehwe abaya na mpacha oba okatachie ho na eba abaya na nkasa de any page wa yi no wa free Facebook ne ba bia okọ Anne Sansa Dali egane okọ yi ho ne ba bia open the page ya senka obeko Facebook na be hu no wa delete no na nyese wa delete no ho ayi keke wa free social media gwa ona egane kro no enti eno na okatachi kan wansem ano ge no eye John Mahama personal physician na tire say e buy ono mo monhwe monkohwe moncheke president nhwe na brabom monhwe na pomudin ne ho odin campaign obetumi akoba bia John Mahama ko bia okọ 3 days ya John Mahama waye adwuma from Accra to Kumasi oye campaign wonam form of ya na okọ ha ne ade no president ho odin so obetumi ato aso from Kumasi to Sehwiana girl ne ka ho bi oye John Mahama personal physician na ohwe na brabom dabi ohunye me check here no ohwe mu ma ayemre enne ubenya low count sperm and as a low sperm count to say hwan ubenya hwan de ben ubenya pre ejaculation ubenya hwan nyasam ketwa entiene
I have source.
Well, I met President Mahama in UK with a doctor that I know. It wasn't her.
Well, but I'm saying that from a very reliable source. Oh, this lady was on the control of the NDC all through the campaign. So somebody was telling me that no wonder at some point the president's face was looking.
And she was on the campaign trail.
Yes.
And you okay that you say enyanwa obi kwa country say it is on say John Mahama wo photo bi won na ni ho no e ma mekwa me country say akwai apeteshe ni ayi no ni ayi na wonnom no ene Viagra na wo mo fa ma na ye nanim say ya na wonu so yusu bia na ena ye country say abaye o nchen bia hwan na betumi a prescribe no papa de ama wo because onya doctor ni home care service and home care service.
She's a non-NDC member.
Or just an NDC communicator.
As a doctor of the president, then in opposition, the presidential candidate.
That one I would disagree.
But you, let's go.
Because I met President Mahama and a doctor that I know. I'm not sure it was.
I'm not sure you know all President Mahama.
No, I didn't see all of. I saw one person was with him. But he's a very renowned doctor. The name starts with D.
The bottom line is that this girl managed to get herself into a higher place with Kelvin Taylor involved, and they were running a criminal syndicate. Which, as we progress, I'm going to show you. I have a lot of information on these people. Even the one that you saw just recently being released is the least among them.
The videos of
her swindling her way through pretending to be a
Mmoa monim no osi nyame adom Saturday obetena sinti Saturday nyame adom ochena time or the program no menye bekwa akotena sinam so makope information.
Tirajo mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Media.